Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I create my closure wigs, okay? I'm not a professional or a hairdresser at all. I just practiced a little bit and now I'm finally comfortable to share with you guys how I create a good looking wig each and every time. Okay, so this is very beginner friendly. I'm going to share with you guys all my tips and tricks, so if you want to know how to create a bombast unit, keep on watching. This is the hair that I'm using. This is Peerless Malaysian straight hair. I'm using 4 bundles of 22-inch and then also a 20-inch lace closure. And the first thing that I noticed immediately about this hair is that it is so thick. Like, this is seriously the first time that I saw a bundle being so thick and so full from roots to the ends, and I really like that. The closure is also very natural looking. It is pre-plucked, and that's key if you want to have a natural looking wig, especially if you're a beginner. And I like my closures to be pre-plucked so I don't have to put a lot of effort in making them look natural. Okay, so I'm using a extra large spandex dome cap, and you know what's really important? Your wig canvas head. Okay, I have a 24-inch wig canvas head because I have a big head. I have a lot of hair, so my canvas head is big. You need to measure your head and buy a wig canvas head. Okay, I bought mine on Amazon, and then the first thing I'm going to do is pin my closure to the canvas head because I'm going to sew the closure first on my wig cap. And here's just a quick clip on how I prepare my thread and needle. I always make sure I have a couple of threads and needles ready because I don't want to go back and forth preparing my needles every time. So now onto the sewing part. For extra security, I like to double loop my thread around my needle twice or maybe 3 times. And I do this at the beginning and at the end of a track. So I make sure I begin with this knot and I end with this knot. And in between those 2 special knots, I just sew regularly. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I'm like a visual learner. I really cannot explain how I sew. I hope you guys understand by just looking at the footage. I'm going to show you guys a couple of more times how I sew in detail, in close-up. Everyone has their own methods and techniques. So if you don't know how to sew, I advise you to look up videos on YouTube on how to sew weave on a wig cap or whatever, or bundles on a wig cap, that really can explain in detail what they do, because I really can't. And as you can see, I'm ending this with double looping my thread because I want to tighten it. I just want to make sure this is secure. And by the way, never sew on the elastic band, okay? Just make sure you sew on the fabric that covers the elastic band. Here I'm just showing you how long these bundles are. Like, this is probably the longest bundle that I've ever seen in my whole life. I was shook. So now I'm just starting with my first track now, and as you guys can see, the first track I am going through the weft for the first time, and I'm double looping my thread and I'm securing it. I make sure it's tight. Now I'm just going to sew regularly and I'm going underneath the track. I'm not going through the track. That was just for the first time, okay? And I just make sure it's tight, and then I just continue sewing like this until I reach the other side when it's time to fold over my weft. I'm doing the fold over method. And again, as I said, just sew on the fabric that covers the elastic band, because if you sew through the elastic band, your wig will not fit your head, your wig cap will not stretch. Okay, so here I reached the other side, and now I'm just going to double loop again, and I'm going to do the fold over method. I'm going to fold over my weft. I actually prefer doing the fold over method because I don't want to cut my tracks. I don't want to cause excessive shedding. And as you guys can see, I'm doing the double loop again because I'm at the beginning of a new track. Not really the beginning, but this is just like a new line because I want to make sure that everything is tight and secured. Okay, so yeah, I just continue doing this until I reach the end of the bundle, and then I just do the same with my second bundle and my third bundle and my even fourth. No, I didn't use my 4th bundles. I received 4 bundles, but I used 3 of them, all 3. So yeah. Oh yeah, as far as my pattern goes, I just sew in a U shape. I just follow the shape of my closure. Actually just the natural shape of the wig canvas head. And I leave about 1 centimeter in between tracks. So here I sewed on 2 bundles, and oh my goodness, can you guys see how beautiful this hair is? Like, this is like the best straight hair that I've ever had in my whole life. I'm not kidding, guys. This is not because I received this hair for free that I'm saying this is for real the best and most beautiful and thickest straight hair that I've ever had in my whole life. So I just finished sewing 3 bundles and the closure on my wig cap, and this is the end result. And guys, like, what? This hair is so beautiful. It has amazing shine, amazing volume. The hair is thick. I legit don't know any other companies that have better straight hair than this one, and I tried a lot of straight hair. Guys, this is the best straight hair that I've ever tried so far. And now I'm just cutting my excessive wig cap because, you know, I don't need that because I have a closure. Just make sure you don't cut too close to your thread, okay, because otherwise you did all of that for nothing. And can you guys see how beautiful this closure is? Like, I didn't do anything about this closure, right? Normally I would just pluck my closure, but I didn't need to do anything about this because this closure is so natural looking, extremely beginner friendly. So that's how I like my closures. Okay, so now I'm just going to style the closure real quick because there are some flyaways and I don't like that. So I'm just spraying some water on this, and I'm using my Dyson Airwrap with the round brush attachment to make sure the flyaways are gone and to make sure the hair lays flat and natural, because ain't nobody likes a bumpy closure, okay? So this is my method to lay down my closure. Of course, you can use a hot comb or a curling wand or your flat iron, but you know, I just like to do this method. And this is the end result. Girl, like, I kept on touching this hair because I'm legit in love. So now I'm going to install the wig, and definitely stay tuned for my wig prep routine, okay, which is coming soon. But installing a closure wig is so easy. It takes me literally 2 seconds and I am done. This is my hair now. 2 seconds, I'm out. 2 seconds, sis. No glue, no whatever, like, this is just putting on the wig because the wig cap fits my head perfectly because the wig canvas head is my size. So everything is custom made to my size, okay? That's why my wig fits so well. The hair is beautiful, it has a lot of volume, it flows, it has a lot of body, it's shiny, it's soft, it smells nice, okay? So I really recommend Peerless hair, guys. Definitely check out the links in my description box to this hair because you need to check them out. Everyone is raving about this hair. Everyone that I know likes this hair, so yeah, it's a sign, sis. If you want to have straight hair, bomb straight hair, go ahead and check out Peerless hair. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.